Now, Controller General of the Nigerian Correctional Service, Haliru Nababa, has decorated the newly promoted officers and men of the service on the 16th of June 2021 at the service headquarters. While addressing the newly promoted officers, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry to Interior, Ibrahim Belgore, reiterated the determination of the Ministry of Interior, Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, to improve the service rendered by the Nigerian Correctional Service. Hence, the promotion comes with more responsibilities. Francis Udeniyi has more.
Successful officers of the Nigerian Correctional Service have been decorated to their new ranks after the 2020 promotion exercise. Controller General of the Nigerian Correctional Service expressed his delight while congratulating the officers who benefited from the exercise, while charging them that the promotion is a call for higher responsibilities, dedication to duties, and loyalty.
You will recall that in my maiden address, I did mention that staff welfare, including regular promotions of deserving officers, shall be a priority of my administration. Although this exercise is a product of the previous administration, I, however, want to assure you that the tempo shall be sustained and other packages included in order to serve the morale of staff. As often said, promotion is a call for higher responsibilities, dedication to duty, and loyalty. Therefore, my administration expects no less than officers and men across board. There is no saying that this is a trying moment on the security architecture of Nigeria. As you have been instructed, all Nigerian Correctional Service facilities must be kept safe and inviolable at all costs. Recently, I have redeployed some heads of directorates in order to inject new ideas for a new holistic approach in the management of emerging challenges facing the service and the nation at large. I therefore expect all officers elevated to command positions to deploy their wealth of experience and knowledge to enforce this order.
In light of the rising attacks on various custodial facilities across the country, which has led to various jailbreaks, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Interior, Shuaib Belgore, said the Minister of Interior, Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, has ordered the use of maximum force to repel further attacks on custodial facilities across the country.
You will all be observing that our country is currently enmeshed with enormous security challenges which we are confronting. This has put every security outfit, every security organization on alert in the country. Our country is indeed threatened from within, and this service has had to witness a lot of those security challenges. In this regard, I want to state that the role of the Nigeria Correctional Service in ensuring security in this country is immense. The Minister of Interior is determined to improve the service rendered by the Nigeria Correctional Service and has asked me to communicate this in very clear terms. Nobody should attack a correctional facility and get away with it. He has directed the use of maximum force to repel anyone who tries to do so. To the newly decorated officers, you are now at the top of your service. Its image and your conduct should be your priorities. The security of custodial centers is your responsibility.
Recall that Haliru Nababa, who had promised to prioritize the welfare of officers of the service during his decoration as the substantive second Controller General of the Nigerian Correctional Service, urged personnel who didn't benefit from the promotion exercise to remain steadfast, and their time for promotion and recognition will come as well. Adeniyi Francis, reporting for Kaftan News, Abuja.